So first we're going to build from the tiniest, then green, then pink, then yellow, then... So we got 2 pieces, same size. 1 centimeter square to 10 centimeter square. Answer 6. Hello friends, I'm Grace. Welcome to Get You's World. Today, I'm gonna show you Montessori work. Decanomial Squares! I learned this at my Montessori school. Wonderland Montessori Academy. This work can help kids understand size, color, shapes. It is organized in a wooden box. Ta-da! I got a hat. So we're starting from the tiny square to the large square. So first we're going to build from the tiniest, then green, then pink, then yellow, then blue, then purple, then white, then brown, then dark blue, then golden. We're going to put the tiniest in the top left place. Next color is green. So we got 3 green shapes. 2 is rectangle, 1 is square. Take the square and keep it like this. Keep the rectangles on the both of the sides. I can bump it. So this is pink, my favorite color. So we're gonna put the largest like this. Largest shape like this. Now next largest. So next color is yellow. Which one is the largest? This one is the largest. We need to keep the largest first. So we got 2 pieces, same size. Now this is the next largest. So next color is light blue. one is going to come. All set! And close your eyes first. Ta-da! One centimeter square to 10 centimeters square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Red, green, pink, yellow, light blue, purple, white, brown, dark blue, golden. We can do math operations with decanomial squares. Let me show you multiplication. It is like we're using multiplication beads. Remember we did a video on multiplication using beads. Let me show you what. I'm doing a multiplication 2 by 3. Now we're going to do 1 multiplication times 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Now we're gonna count 2 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer is 6. Did you all like the work? Bye everyone. Thank you for watching my channel. And please subscribe and press the bell button. See you next time. And next one is my Bella video. Bye. See you in the Bella video. Do I look orange? Because this thing is orange. Okay.